Hello, wonderful people. Here we are in a worksheet number one. This is the where you're going to take these letters, the capital letters of the English alphabet, these specific letters, not some other Z, and turn this into a phylogenetic tree. It doesn't matter to me how you organize the letters. It just has to make sense to you, and you have to group them into a phylogenetic tree, and that is that. So I'm doing this in Word. You can do it in Microsoft Docs if you want. I'm sorry, Microsoft Google Docs if you'd like, but I'm showing you how to do this in Microsoft Word. So please note these are their own little objects. What's the word for it? It's a picture. So you can grab these and move these around. So if I wanted to, I'm not going to do a big thing. Let's just do A. C is a round letter. H is a straight letter. I, O, and U. So I'm going to group these letters into the way that I showed you. So first thing I'm going to do is, so I have all these lines over here. Please note these are a line. So you can grab this end and make it as long and short as you want. You can grab this end and move it somewhere else. So when you're moving one end, the other end stays put. You can also grab the whole line and then its orientation doesn't change and move it around. So I am going to say that O and C both are round letters. So they come together like this. So there, bang. O and C are now together. Now, U is also a part of that package. So I'm going to say that U branches off from them because it's got a curve, but it's also partly straight. So these are pure curves. This is curve and straight. So that's my group over there. Now, I'm going to say I is a single straight line, and A and H are going to come together over here. Now, I don't want them coming up too high. This may be too high. I need to get a lot of letters in here. Oops. So if I did something and I want to undo it, you hit Control Z. Now you gotta, and it goes back to whatever the immediate step right before that was. So now I'm gonna put that there. And then I'm gonna put I come over here to above that, and I know I'm going to connect with one of these. So I'm gonna put the point down first, then I'm just gonna move this point over to there. Do they need to line up perfectly? No. If you've got this, that's fine. They don't have to be all perfectly pretty like that. Um, so this is, I can see this. This is A and H combine, and then I combines with those. And then this is going to put up in the middle there. And what happens if there were no more lines over here? What if I ran out? I can select this line, and then I hit copy and paste, and another line pops up. So if I want to make a bunch more lines, I can, or I can go up here to undo. See the Control Z? It says Control Z there. Undo, undo, undo. So I just want one more line out there. So, oops, grab that line, bring it over here, put the tip on that, and move this one up to there, and wham, I'm done. Now, what if I wanted to change this? What if I wanted to say I is related to U, because U is like two I's with a connector underneath. So then I could do that. And if I needed to move I over here, I could grab I and then grab this and move that over there. What happens if I grab this and I grab that? Oh, wow, what did I do? Well, I could grab this and try to put it back, but what if I make it too small, or I can't get it just right, or I flip it? If something goes wrong, just hit undo. So undo to that, and then undo to that. There, I'm back where I started. Okay, so then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, oh no, this isn't the one with the hints. So another thing to please note, this is not a normal size sheet of paper. This is what's like 17 inches across and 20 inches high or some weird number. I'm never going to print this, so I don't care what size the sheet of paper is, and neither should you. Uh, so what else? I think that's it. So, okay. So if I can think of it, if I need to add anything else, I will come back and add some more onto this. But at this point, I think you know enough on how to work this worksheet, and you're good to go. Okay. Good luck. Thank you very much.